Hey kids, today I will be teaching you on how to divide simple fractions and mixed fractions. But before that, let us define first the word reciprocal. Reciprocal of a fraction is to simply exchange the numerator and denominator of the fraction. For example, the reciprocal of 3 over 4 is 4 over 3. Another, the reciprocal of 3 over 5 is 5 over 3. Let's now move on to the division of simple fractions. In order to divide simple fractions, we must rewrite the division as related to multiplication, in which we need to multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Let's have examples. 2 over 9 divided by 2 over 7. The first step is to multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Let's have 2 over 9 times the reciprocal of 2 over 7 is 7 over 2. The second step is to multiply the numerators and the denominators. 2 times 7 is equals to 14. 9 times 2 is equals to 18. Then, let's simplify our answer. The GCF of 14 and 18 is 2. Let's divide them into 2 over 2. And our final answer is 7 over 9. Another example we have 12 over 13 divided by 8 over 9. The first step is to multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. We have 12 over 13 times the reciprocal of 8 over 9 is 9 over 8. Let's multiply this using the cancellation method. 12 and 8 is divisible to 4. Let's divide 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. And 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. Now, let's multiply the numerators and the denominators. 3 times 9 is equals to 27. And 13 times 2 is equals to 26. Let's simplify our answer by changing this improper fraction to mixed fraction. 27 over 26 will be 1 and 1 over 26. Let's now have another example. 2 divided by 4 over 5. We all know that the denominator of 2 is 1. So we have 2 over 1 times the reciprocal of 4 over 5, which is 5 over 4. Let's multiply using the cancellation method. 4 and 2 are divisible to 2. 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. And 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. Now, let's multiply the numerator and the denominator. We have 1 times 5 is equals to 5. And 1 times 2 is equals to 2. Let's simplify our answer by changing this improper fraction to mixed fractions. We have 2 and 1/2. Let's now move on to the division of mixed fractions. In order to divide mixed fractions, we must convert the mixed numbers to improper fraction first. Then, let's follow the steps in dividing simple fractions. Let's have examples. 14 divided by 2 and 1/5 The first step is to change the mixed numbers into improper fraction. We have 14 divided by, so let's multiply the whole number to the denominator, then add the numerator. 2 times 5 is equals to 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. Then, let's copy the denominator 5. The next step is to multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. We have 14 over 1 times the reciprocal of 11 over 5, which is 5 over 11. Let's multiply the numerators and the denominators. 14 times 5 is equals to 70, and 1 times 11 is equals to 11. Let's simplify our answer by changing this improper fraction to mixed fraction. 70 over 11 will be 6 and 4 over 11. This is now our final answer. Another example, we have 4 and 1/2 divided by 1/4. The first step is to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 times 2 is equals to 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. Then let's copy the denominator. 2 divided by 1/4. The next step is to multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. 9 over 2 times the reciprocal of 1/4, which is 4 over 1. Let's multiply this using the cancellation method. 2 and 4 are divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1, then 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. Let's multiply the numerators and the denominators. 9 times 2 is equals to 18, and 1 times 1 is equals to 1, or simply 18. That's it. I hope that you learned from this video. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.